Starting around 03 October 2023, Axie endlessness especially is exchanging at $4.52 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.07% in especially most recent 60 minutes, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie essentially has a sort of complete market cap of $638,748,867, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $43,608,612, or so they really thought. This certainly makes Axie endlessness, Axie, essentially positioning at 58 in the cryptographic money market, which really is very huge. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Axie boundlessness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie vastness in every practical sense be extremely worth in 2023, which sort of is very huge? Is Axie boundlessness a generally excellent speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Axie's cost essentially outperform its record-breaking high, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking? These sort of are our Axie boundlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, which especially is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness, Axie's value expectation 2023, as per the Axie boundlessness conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Axie's cost in every practical sense is supposed to explicitly cross a for the most part normal value level of $7.10, the normal truly least value worth of Axie vastness, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to in a real sense be $6.80. Or so they truly thought. Besides, Axie can truly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $7.73, which really is very critical. Axie's value figure August 2023, with respect to August 2023, Axie boundlessness essentially is supposed to explicitly arrive at an especially least value worth of $5.77 in an unpretentious manner. The Axie's cost could generally arrive at a very most extreme cost of $6.49, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost around $6.31, or so they sort of thought. Axie limitlessness value expectation September 2023, the cost of Axie boundlessness really is in every practical sense, anticipated to in every practical sense, reach it in every way that really matters, least worth of $6.20 in September 2023. Showing how fundamentally is Axie vastness and in every way that really matters, wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023. All things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Axie's cost could in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest worth of $6.81, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $6.44 all through 2023, showing how Axie boundlessness value expectation September 2023. The cost of Axie limitlessness generally is in a real sense anticipated to especially reach it in every way that really matters, least worth of $6.20 in September 2023, exhibiting how truly is Axie vastness and all things considered, wise speculation or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Axie endlessness, Axie, value expectation October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Axie vastness cost for the most part is conjectured to fundamentally arrive at an outright least cost of $6.33 in an exceptionally significant manner. The Axie's cost could generally arrive at a greatest cost of $7.06, with the fundamentally normal expected cost around $6.57 in a very large manner. Axie's value gauge November 2023. The Axie boundlessness estimate for November 2023 expects that the Axie may explicitly arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $7.39, with a sort of least cost of around $6.59, exhibiting how these explicitly are our Axie vastness cost expectations for Axie's future in an exceptionally enormous manner. Discussing the by and large normal value Axie can sort of stretch around $6.83 for November in an unpretentious manner. Axie limitlessness, Axie, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Axie endlessness certainly is for the most part anticipated to arrive at an in every practical sense, normal cost of $7.10, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of $7.73 and a by and large least of $6.80, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness sort of past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been especially diminished by 1.92% in its exceptionally current worth, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Assuming we especially look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Axies with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap is likewise down in a truly significant manner. Axie vastness explicitly is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins, showing how assuming we truly look at the by and large current market cap of the Axies with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap essentially is likewise down, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Axies basically is down to nearly 0.13% in the sort of most recent 7 days, which certainly shows that Axie limitlessness value expectation September 2023. The cost of Axie vastness especially is in every practical sense anticipated to by and large reach at an especially least worth of $6.20 in September 2023. Exhibiting how basically is Axie boundlessness a fundamentally wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly is very huge. The coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for truly past essentially couple of days. The coin could generally have areas of strength for exceptionally, however, we don't especially imagine that it would a beneficial resource in genuinely present moment, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Axies truly diminished by 51.903%, disposing of an incredible sort of typical amount of $4.88 from its in every way that really matters, current worth, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a great sort of purchase and open door for extremely speedy speculation, or so they by and large thought. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is near 61.46%, and the cost generally flowed from an in every practical sense, least essentially normal cost of $10.80 to for the most part greatest extremely normal cost of $12.31 in the in every practical sense, recent days in a quite enormous way. Axie boundlessness really is somewhere around 32.02% with the greatest especially normal cost of the coin explicitly was around $6.96 and the especially least genuinely normal cost of in a real sense was around $6.76 in beyond 4 months, in every practical sense. Further appearance, how these sort of are Axie endlessness cost expectations for Axies' future, or so they thought. Axie limitlessness value estimate 2023 facts what will generally be Axie endlessness especially worth in 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. The Axies cost essentially is determined to truly arrive at an exceptionally greatest degree of $7.73, with kind of least cost of $6.80 toward the finish of 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. Does Axie limitlessness in a real sense have a future in an especially significant manner? As far as value, Axie limitlessness especially has an extraordinary genuinely potential to especially arrive at new levels. Further appearance how this for the most part makes Axie endlessness, Axies by and large positioning at 58 in the digital currency market in a huge way.